Hello, this is Ali. As promised, here is a quick walkthrough video of how ClickUp multi-level hierarchy works and automated based on status changes and all that. So if you see this here, I just created a task, and then this task gonna have like 3 sub items. And then if you click here, then we have 3 sub items here in the next level. And if you click here, then we have more 3 sub items in that level. So I'm just going to explain how things going to go and how things going to be processed here. This is the automation that we have in make.com, and let me just turn it on. I just want to delete the old data and let's make it new and just run it over. And first of all, let me show you how things going to work out here. Let's say this is like this for your information. So this is, you can say to do, this is in progress, this is not applicable, this is completed. Okay. And if I gonna change this status of the sub item into, for example, in progress. Okay, so what gonna be happening is like its parent automatically changes to in progress, then that parent will be changed to in progress, and then the main task will also be changed into in progress. Okay, if any of the sub item is changed to in progress, their main sub item, then main sub item, then the main task will automatically change to in progress. So let's say, just make the discussion that way. If I change this to in progress, it all works fine because it's already in progress, it all looks good. If I change this to this one, it all gonna look good where it says in progress and all that. So it all looks legit like this. Okay, same thing, another example to this one here, where I gonna say, okay, this is, for example, completed. Okay, this is also completed. Okay, when these subtasks of just this sub item got completed, so it automatically completes this task. Now if you come over here down there, so we can say this is not applicable in this project. Okay, so it reflects that if it's not applicable, what's going to happen, we're going to have different tasks here. Then if it says this is also not applicable, and if this task is also not applicable, okay, so in this case your main task will be changed to something not applicable. So it means this thing is not applicable in this project. Okay, and now if we just take an example at this level where we are saying, like, let's say this is in progress. Okay, so you already know what's going to happen here is like this task will be changed to in progress, and it's already have in progress here, it's already have in progress here, so all sorted. Okay, so just a quick thing on that, and let's say if this is not applicable and this is, for example, done. So now one is not applicable, one is done. Okay, and the other one is also done as an example. So now 2 are done. Okay, 1 is not applicable, so system gonna know everything about it, like, okay, these 2 are done, so it automatically understands if it's not applicable, it's fine, this task is done. So now I mark these 3 tasks, like this one is not applicable, but this is completed, this is completed, so it automatically marks this one as completed as well, so it's all good to go. Okay, so just as an example on that side of things, so you're gonna understand better how things gonna go. Like if I just gonna run down of it, like in progress. So now this will change to in progress, and the main task is already in progress, so it's all gonna be good. Okay, so like in progress, the main task is already in progress, so it's all good in that sense. Okay, so you can say not applicable, for example, not applicable. Okay, so it means like it's fine totally. If I just change this to done, so it means this production task will be completed or done. Same thing here in this one, we have multi-tasks or multi-sub items and all that. So once these are all done, this main task automatically gonna be completed. So here is a quick rundown how things gonna go. Like we can make it to 7 levels, 8 levels. This is the automations that we have in make.com that does all of this for you. And how this thing gonna work, like here we are having, like if you're gonna see here, like we're having click subtask, blah blah blah, then we have get a task thing, then we are checking it out if it has a parent. Okay, after that, if just making sure how things gonna go from here. History items, the previous status of it was in progress or to do. So based on that, we get the task information. It all happening based with the help of, you can say, the triggers with HTTP request, where we are sending this and checking sure include subtask is equal to true. And based on that, it's just sending the authorization and all that, and it's just showing all that information right into place. And all this game is based on these history sub items, and each node is for each different statuses that you have in the system. And the main logic in this scenario that we have here is this tools and this one, where we set up this one here, like what's the sum iterator, sum is equal to 1, where we check all the sub items based on that, and it's all going to be good. So open to any questions, anything come up in your mind, just let me know. I love to answer that. Thank you so much for hearing me. Take care. Bye.